Let's prepare a Slack dataset. I will show you how you can do some pre-processing steps to prepare a dataset that you can use later. I will show you how to pull your company's Slack data and prepare it for training an LLM-based chatbot. I pulled Slack data, filtered it to keep just the user's data, and saved it to a Parquet file. This way you can create a chat that will talk like you, using your direct messages from Slack. The following script downloads all your Slack direct messages and extracts the text you personally sent and finally saves them as a Parquet file. First of all, you need to install the Slack SDK. Then import the required libraries like pandas. So then you create a user auth token, go to api.slack.com apps, then click on create new app from scratch, and then name your app and choose your workplace of the Slack. Then you will have this website, this page. Let's go to auth and permission. Scroll till the scopes, this section. We want to add an auth scope, not bot token scopes. We want to add an auth scope. And what we want is I am read. You will choose it from here. I am read and I am history and users history. Sorry, users read. This is very crucial to execute the following script. Otherwise, your script will complain related to permissions issue. Then if you run here, you will get the Slack token, you will enter it. And then this for test your authentication. Once you execute the cell, you will have your user ID showing in the cell. After that, we are here listing all the direct messages channels from the conversations_list from the client. And then creating a dictionary to store messages from each direct messages. Here we are downloading conversation history for every direct message channel. And then extract timestamp, user, and the text from messages. What we care actually about is the text field. That what we will save in the Parquet format. Then if you want to test the saved file, you can run this cell to execute and see the messages. This text, as you can see, is stored here, is benefit, and you can use it for future tasks, for example, fine-tuning LLMs or analyzing your own communication or building a personal assistant trained on your messages or exploring Slack data for privacy reasons.